Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jiten Tripathi. Student, in previous class we are completing the chapter the study of gas with numerical and so now one more chapter left in your syllabus, that is water. That is water. So student, initially we start some basic information about water, that it is a next to air. Water is the next to air most abundant substance for our survival. Means first is the oxygen, that is air, and next is the water for surviving condition, and about fourth fifth part of earth surface is covered with water. It is a major constituent of living matters, just like a plant, animals, human beings, and 70% of our body weight is constituted by water. Okay, this is the basic information about the water. Now, what is the necessity or importance of water in our life? Water play an important role in a large number of natural processes. It is a vital for growth of plant and animal. Means plants and animal growth depends upon the supply of water. Second one is the human body as well as other living beings needed water for almost every function which is being carried out by each and every cells. Means in our body, cell performance or functioning of our body needed a water. Now, water is needed for growing and cooking food. Means preparation for the food is based on water, is an important part for the cooking materials, and water is needed for cleaning our body extremely. We are going for the bath, so we take some water for cleaning our body. Okay, it is essential for industry. Lot of hydraulic, electric as well as thermoelectric station use large amount of water. Hydroelectric means when water comes from any river, then a lot of amount of water used for the production of electricity. Yes, bulk transport or goods to other countries is carried through seawater. Now, occurrence of water. Occurrence of water means how the water found in earth. There are two forms of water existing on the earth, that is free state of water, free state, and as well as combined state. Combined state. Free state existing water, solid, liquid or in gas phase, solid state water, fresh water, frost, frozen water. This is the solid state water, while in liquid state, groundwater, well water, moisture, dew. In this form, water exists in liquid state, while in gaseous state, water exists in water vapor, moist, mist and fog. And combined state, it is present in a carbohydrate, protein, water of crystallization as a blue vitriol. Formula for blue vitriol is the CuSO4.5s2, green vitriol FeSO4.7s2. In these compound, water exists as a combined state, crystallization. Now, composition of water. Composition of water. How the water is formed? In ancient time, water as an element, but lot of scientists like Henry Cavendish ignite 2 volume of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen. 2 volume of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen gives water as per the Henry Cavendish, while Lavoisier decide compound of hydrogen and oxygen together in ratio, hydrogen ratio oxygen in the form of 2:1. So this is the definition put forward by the Lavoisier. In compound, this is the definition for water put forward by these scientists. Okay. Now, natural and treated water. Natural and treated water. Natural water, the water which occurs in nature in free state is called natural water. Free state water. Called natural water. Free state existing water is called where rain water, spring water, well water, river water. As rain, spring, well, river, water. It's called natural water. While treated water, the natural water which is treated by some man-made process before putting it to any particular use called treated water. That is distilled water and potable water. Potable water is the drinking water. Distilled water. Distilled water. Distilled water, how will you obtain distilled water? Naturally occurring water obtained by distillation of natural water, such as contain no dissolved solid or gaseous impurities, are called distilled water. And potable water, naturally water natural water free from suspended impurities and dissolve poisonous impurities like germs, bacteria, such that it can be safely used for human consumption is called potable water. Okay, this is all about today, student. This is the basic information about water. You must be revise all the things, and having facing problem you can discuss with me on in concerning group in doubt session. Okay, best of luck.